gentlemen, this is my red 09 Town and Country. Damn, y'all hear that? Just clicking. And this ain't supposed to happen to mechanics, but it do. And I didn't even turn it over at all. Oh wow. So what I'm gonna do is what you should do anytime you have a suspected starter. First, I thought it was maybe the battery was low, so I got my jump box on here. I remember that review I did on the jump box. It's a nice one. Well, anyway, that ain't my problem, so it don't matter. So what you can do is grab something long. Now this starter is tucked down in there, so you can try your best to get in there and bang on the solenoid. Remember, you're just trying to get it started so you can get where you need to go. You already know you need a starter. So I am banging on the solenoid. Sometimes that works, sometimes it don't. Good part about this is it happened while I'm at the dealership. So if all else failed, I'd leave this. Oh, it worked. All right. So just bang on the starter solenoid, people, and that'll get you going. I mean, that's not a fix. By no means that's not a fix. So I'm gonna keep this pry bar in this van for the time being, and I will basically have to go get a starter. There's no way around it. Okay, the solenoid, when energized, pulls a plunger and allows that plunger to grab a hold to the flywheel, which turns the crankshaft and the engine revolution, which allow when power is supplied to the ignition system for the car to start. And that's starting in a nutshell. I mean, it gets deeper in that. I have to be in that frame of mind to actually discuss that, but for now, I got lucky. I got it started by, again, banging on the solenoid. Like, just say for instance, your starter back here, you're gonna have a hard time. You gotta find something. I mean, I once had to grab a hammer and bang on the starter back here on the solenoid. It's really just all about the solenoid. Solenoid is going out, but because they're built onto the starter, you must replace the starter assembly. All right, so I'm gonna go to my favorite auto spot and price out a starter solenoid. Really don't matter what the price is. When it's something you gotta have, worrying about price shouldn't even matter, man. That's the only thing gonna keep the car running is you got to have a starter. So I'm going to price out a starter. We're gonna get this thing back up and running properly. I gotta get it running because this is what I use sometimes to do ride share work in, you know, Uber and Lyft and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all, man. I'm not gonna close this video out now. I'm gonna leave it open until I put the starter on. Like I said, I'm at the shop, so it's a good thing, but stay tuned, baby. We'll get back with you. Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in my red 09 minivan, Chrysler Caravan. Y'all remember I was diagnosing it wouldn't start? It clicks, just click. You turn the key, click, click, click. And I banged on it with a screwdriver and finally got the solenoid to engage the starter. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? My starter has arrived. And I'm about to put it in. I'm in the shop now. Really, man, y'all know how mechanics are. Normally I would put this off, but because I'm going to do a little ride share work tonight, some Uber and a Lyft, I'm gonna go and put the start on this thing, man. I don't want to, you know how embarrassing that would look if you picking up a passenger or you turn your car off and it won't start back up. Well, that's not gonna happen to me. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this problem. So like I say, I am in the shop. Let me show y'all something what I got here. It is beauty. Remanufactured, but it's a new Mopar remanufactured starter. Yeah, R stands for reman. So this is what I'm gonna put on here, ladies and gentlemen. You know, as you know, starters come with solenoids already built on. You know, from the look of that, one would think you can replace this separately, but I don't think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm getting a whole starter. And you know what's really a trip about this starter? It had a $75 freaking core on it. $75, y'all. Wow. So that is a lot. They really want this starter back. All right, so I'm gonna get to it, man. I don't want to waste a lot of time, and I'm not sure there's a cause for filming this. Starter's not that hard, of course, as you know. Always disconnect the battery. The starter is right down there. So what I'm gonna do, of course, I got to go up in the air. Starter is right here. So I wasn't in it that long, so you know we're dealing with the exhaust manifold, and that is hot. So I'm gonna get some gloves put on, and we're gonna yank this starter out real quick. All right. So y'all hang in here. Let me get this battery off real quick, and I might film a little bit, show y'all. I'll just show y'all the connection, what you need to take off to do the starter. Okay, some people like to watch that stuff, and I don't mind showing you how it's done. The JT Online Automotive Mechanical Tips channel. Thanks for watching. Let's get with it.